Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to change the JioFi Wi-Fi name and also the password, Wi-Fi password for the JioFi device. The device which I'm showing up in the screen is JioFi 3. The procedure remains the same for most of the JioFi models. Okay, let me power off the device first. I will show how to see the JioFi configuration pages and what is the Wi-Fi name and password, all these things details I'll be showing up. Just power off the device and open up the backlit, so we can remove the battery. Okay, so once you remove the battery near the SIM slot, we can see that web configuration page which is mentioned here. So this is the configuration page. So it is http geofi.local.html and it will show SSID which is geofi 3 and some alphanumeric letters. So this will be your Wi-Fi name when you use to connect the geofi device, and it also mentioned the password. This password may be little difficult to remember it every time, so in this video, I'm going to explain you how to change this password. To log into the web configuration page, we need a username and password that is also mentioned. So web configuration page, username and password, both is administrator. Okay, just make a note of it. Um, the SSID name, password, and web configuration page, all the information. Okay, so I did a make a note. So I have a SIM as well in the device. Okay, so the Geo SIM is inserted in the SIM slot. Let's put the battery back on and we'll power on the device back. Okay, let's put the battery back and close the backlit. So once the backlit is closed, just long press the power button to power on the JioFi device. So all the three symbols will start blinking, and first the battery will come and the second symbol will be for your network strength. So once it receives the network, just to the long press. Okay, yeah, now it's powered on. So it's blinking, it will try to receive the Geo network, and third one is the Wi-Fi device. Basically we don't need to have a network for changing the password. The Wi-Fi is important actually. Okay, so we powered on the device. Let's go to the system and we'll rename the Wi-Fi name and password. So this you can do it from mobile as well. The procedure is same. We have to connect to the JioFi Wi-Fi device, so you can see the JioFi Wi-Fi name is with some numbers, right? It is very difficult to remember it. Imagine you have the multiple JioFi device, or your neighbor is using the JioFi device, so it will be little confusing connect to which network or something, right? So we are going to change this one to simplify this. Let's connect this network. I have already saved the password for this JioFi network. I connected. Let's open up the web browser and type the web configuration page, which is http geo5.local.html. Just hit enter. So it will open up the Geo configuration page. So it contains all the information, network information, like device information, system performance details, and LTE, all these things. To change the password, we have to log in to the interface. Just click on login. So as we read it in the JioFi device, the username and password is administrator, password also administrator. Okay, to log into the device. Click on login. So first time when we log in, it will say, would you like to change the default username and password for the administrator? So I prefer not to change because we may tend to forget this, right? Just click on network. Under that, click on Wi-Fi configuration. So under that, you can see a network name, which is SSID. That will be the name which we use to see that when we try to connect the Wi-Fi device. So I prefer to keep Geo 5, but let me remove that number and I'll put something like MD. So whatever name you prefer, you can change it entire name as well. So I just have another Wi-Fi. That's why I just keep this as an Geo 5. Okay, JioFi underscore MD-01. So you can name it as like and your wish, and go to password. Just type the password whichever you want to specify It can be any number or letter or your preferred password. Okay, so just enter the password. Once you enter the password, just click on save. If you remove the tick mark hidden, you can see the read the password. So basically when we change the settings, so it will restart the Wi-Fi settings, it will restart this particular page. That is fine. Just click on save. So it will apply the new settings. Now it will activate the Wi-Fi function. So your Wi-Fi will like JioFi Wi-Fi, this page will be get restarted. Okay, so let's go to the network and we'll see our new name is detected. Yes, in the second one you can see JioFi underscore MD-01. We just renamed the SSID name, Wi-Fi name here. Just click on connect. Okay, so enter the new password which we have specified. So you can notice that it's showing you are not connected because the device, the Wi-Fi got disconnected. Okay. So it is connected now with the new JioFi name and the password which we specified. Let's validate the internet is working or not. We can maybe try youtube.com. So it's pulling up. Yeah. So internet is working. We have successfully changed the JioFi Wi-Fi name, which is SSID name, and also the Wi-Fi password, the default password which comes with the device. So similarly, you can change the password any number of times. So this procedure applies most of the JioFi models. I hope this video is informative for you. Please do subscribe to our channel to receive more updates. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye bye.